hobbyists! Welcome to Car Dreams in Styrene.
Welcome, y'all!
Welcome, y'all! I'm your host, Gary G, and we start a brand new build this week. It's gonna be a lot of crazy customization and scratch building going on. The name of the car? The Wulf Speedster. But now, as always, first the riddle! In today's episode, we show some footage from the Wulf Speedster. First, we start with the engine. The power plant is based on our V16 motor, which we scratch built and made some resin copies out of it. We took some hydraulic oil pumps from a lowrider kit and modified them so they're now our carburetors. But here, some footage from the engine build. was the 29th of April in France, when Monsieur Camille Janazet, or whatever his name was, went to his car with the intention to be the first man who drives a car over 60 miles per hour. But in which year did the car break the 60 mile per hour barrier? The answer is always
In the riddle!
in the riddle. Well, it seems our little Saturday morning show already comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed the time with us.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Have a blessed Saturday and Sunday. Now, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, though. Bye bye.
Next Saturday, y'all!
What does that look for? It's kind of like...
I'm listening to you.
I screw it up again. Yeah. She kind of gives me that evil look. What the hell are you talking about?
I'm just listening.
Okay.